So here they are. Ayan. Ito na sila, nagdiralaga na. Okay, so here we are. We are now at the General Santos City Airport with the Bongmal students. So they're very excited to show these big kind of animals. Okay, so okay, yan. This is it. What they dreamed before is now the reality for them. They are so very happy to show that airplane. See that airplane, okay? With our very active sponsor of this student, Pastor Romano, and okay.